Hi, we're Brianne and Ben with our two dogs, Bella and Bucky. On our previous episode, you watched as we installed our walls in the van. Now, follow along as we spackle, sand, and paint and finally finish the walls. Also, stay tuned, and at the end of the video, we will give you an inside look at the finished product. The first thing we did was cover all the screw holes with DAP Fast Dry Premium Spackling, which we purchased from Home Depot. Next, we used a Standard Self-Adhesive Fibra Tape or joint tape in order to seal off all joints. This allows for a smooth surface to paint on. After applying the joint tape to all the wall creases, we applied the same spackling and let it dry for 24 hours. After that, we sanded down all the spackling on the wall creases and screw holes to make for a more smoother surface. Finally, we applied the paint. We chose to use Behr Premium Plus paint and primer with exterior semi-gloss enamel. The color we chose is elephant skin, which we purchased from Home Depot. We decided not to go with a light color such as white due to having two dogs that will be in and out of the van and to help try and conceal as much of the dirt as possible. Lastly, we installed tamper resistant outlets and plate covers, as well as USB wall chargers in the kitchen and bedroom, and added light switches to the shower and bedroom. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at 4B Adventures to keep up with our most recent fan build adventures. Also, smash that thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel.